Good morning, friends. So today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the multi-bagger company who has given multi-bagger return last few years and is having a good probability of growing their business and increasing their profits in upcoming years. And this is one of the multi-bagger stocks which I have found for you. So let's see the companies about which we are talking about. The company name is Apollo Micro Systems Ltd. And as you can see that this company is having excellent balance sheet, excellent future. In upcoming session I'm going to explain you. Before that I want to show some tell some information about this company. This company is a pioneer in design, development, assembly and testing of the electronics and electromechanical solutions. And what are the key points here? The Apollo Microsystems was established in 1985 and is one of the India's leading electronic, electromechanical, engineering design, manufacturing and supplier company. Apollo Microsystems applies in the design. Let's read more information from this screener app. So you can see that what are the information about this company. Apollo Microsystem is a pioneer in design, development, assembly, testing, electronics, and electromechanical solutions. Overview of the business. Apollo Microsystem Limited was established in 1985, is one of the India's leading electronic, electromechanical engineering design, manufacturing specialized company. AMS specialized in design, development, and sales of high performance solutions that are critical for missions and time sensitive. So you know that what are time sensitive information. For example, you have to hit the one target, you have to set your time so that this target will go and hit that same time. So these kind of services the companies provide. AMS provides the designing, electro-manufacturing services, PCB fabrication, embedded software design, development, circuit board assembly, hardware design services, concept to product development, host interface development, and custom build electronic system. Industry service companies products are used across the multiple industries, including aerospace systems, ground defense space, avionics systems, homeland security, and transportation. What are the customer base here? The DRDO. So these are the customers of this company: DRDO, Indian Army, Indian Navy, DPSUs, Adanis, L&T. Excellent companies. What are the so companies also investing in research and development? Company invests almost 7 to 8% of revenue in research and development for developing and testing a critical component under the DRDO programs. Some of the key strategic and projects are the mentioned here: the universal homing system for the light heavy weight torpedoes, landing gear accurate and avionics platform, digital RF seeker and signal processor, and here you can also integrated guidance kit for the various platform. Underwater mines. What are the expansion plan? AMS is having is going to establishing of 250,000 square feet defense electronic electromechanical manufacturing facility in Hyderabad. It will have a clean room for internal inertial system, RF system, space application along with the comprehensive testing facility. It will be certified by the accredited by the NABL laboratory. The total investment of rupees 150 crore in the invested for the said plant. What are the diversity? Companies also established the subsidiary name Apollo Defense Industry Private Limited, signaling potential diversification and expansion into this defense industries. Manufacturing facility. AMS manufacturing facility located in Hyderabad has built up area 55,000 square feet with a team name 300 plus employee, including 150 employee in R&D, and the plant has ESS testing facility and spans and line the DGQS standard. Order book. December 23, the AMS has secured multiple order accounting of 20.76 crore from the Ministry of Defense, and there are a lot of orders they are having. Allotment of equity almost you can say 23 lakhs 29 sorry 2 crores 23 crores 29 lakhs 54,360 equity they are having, and almost the preferential issues they have issued of 2 crore 29 lakhs 20,000 equity floating in the market of one face value. The comprehensive with MP3 interest and MS has appointed official representative for the Middle East market. So let's read more information about this company, and let's see the website of the company. What are the companies providing here? So you can say this is the corporate information solutions. What are the solutions they are providing? What are the services? Aerospace, ground defense, space, transportation, embedded solution, homeland security, and avionics. And services, electro manufacturing services, hardware design services, IT software design, electronic CAD services, mechanical CAD services. These are the solution companies providing. And this is you can read more information on the website. And these are the customer of the company: ONGC, Indian Railway, HAL, SCC, NTPC, GE, NMDC. Excellent company having great future in the upcoming days. So now I'll read more information about the system here. So Apollo Micro Systems Ltd market cap is 3,203 crore, stock P is 83.3, stock price is 104, stock high value is 162, low is 52, book value is 18.4, dividend is 0.05, return capital employed 12.5, return on equity is 7.3, 9, and face value of 1. PEG ratio is 30. This is the one concern here. The PEG ratio is very high here, and equity capital is 28.8, and current ratio 1.98. Company's book value is 5.68, growth factor 4, Piotrowski 4, and you can see here the debt to profit is 6.31. So company is having debt and paying to the company. Bank, and return on asset of last 5 year 2.97, altman score 7.56. Whenever you see 3 point more than 3, that is good. Difference in IV is showing negative, which is showing that the current market value is something higher than the intrinsic value. Number of shares is 30.6. Number of equity last 10 is 13.7. Solid check is 2.24. And EPS of latest quarter 0.28. EPS is 1.39 for the year, and sales for last 10 years 18.4. Profit is 19.5. So profit is always higher than this. Sales is showing a good company's future. Now see how the company price is moving from. So you can see in the September 23 the price was 53. Now it's immediately, you can say, almost 12, almost 12. November 23 is 122, 150 rupees, and from that the company price is 104 now, which is almost to their 200 moving day. So I'll speak with our technical advisor before taking further position in this company. Company is expected to give good quarter here. Promoter holding has increased from 1.9 in last as per last quarter. Company's maiden sales growth is 19.8 of last 10 years. Stock is trading is 5.68 times book value. Companies have low return on equity 6.33% last 3 years. Companies have high debtor is 231 days. Promoter holding is decreased last 3 years 13.98. And what are the businesses doing? The company's business doing same like Bharat Electronics, Data Pattern, DC16, Apollo Micro Systems. What are the quarterly result here? The quarterly result showing that the company's sales are increasing from 27 crore to now 91 crore if you talk about from 2021. And operating margin was also 26% to now 24%. Last few quarters the profit margin was very low, 18 and 15%, but now still 24%. The company's profit increasing exponentially. Company interest is also increased along with this. You can say 7.6 crore companies paying interest, which is also a matter of concern here. Profit increased from 1.4 crore to now 12 crore, and company's net profit is increasing 59 lakhs to 8.61 crore. So if you talk about the profit and loss, company overall sales was 24 crore, now it is 405 crore, exponential increase in the sales. Profit margin, operating profit was 22 crore, 22%, so now 23%. And interest, company was paying earlier 2 crore, now is paying 30 crore interest. So company has increased a lot of debt from the bank. And net profit is also increased from 3 crore to 38 crore, which is also a matter of you can say exponential increase in this company in the profit. If you talk about the compounded sales growth, it's also 10 last 10 years 18%, profit growth is 20%. Stock CAGR is not showing right now, but last 5 years 71% stock CAGR, and last 3 years 110%. Return on equity is also a matter of concern, is just 8%, but I think in company is going to increase their return on equity in upcoming days. Equity capital, this is the one concern for this investor. The earlier equity capital was 6, now it is showing 28. Company has exponentially diluted their equity capital. Reserve also increased from 6 crore to now 491 crore. Borrowing increased from 16 crore to now 200 crore. So company's borrowing is increasing along with the profit is also increasing. Now, if you talk about the other information like investment is just 1 crore, company's fixed asset 144 crore, inventory is almost highest, 434 crore inventory, trades going to receive from the market 235 crore, and these are the different short-term assets companies having 81 crore. So you can say cash flow is very positive for this company. And if you talk about the ratios, this is a concern here. Debtor days is 231, days payable, inventory days is 612, which is also increased. Days payable is 234. Working side conversion, cash conversion cycle is 610, and working capital is 536. So it means that they are taking too much time for getting the money. So this is also concern for this company. And return on capital employed is 13%, which is highest even last 2019. The company have a highest return on capital employed, but company has also maintained 2020 28% return on and 22% return on capital employed. Now, if you talk about the promoter holding, earlier promoter holding was 59%. Now it was decreased to 52% September 23, but after that, company's promoter has increased their position to 55%. FI holding was earlier 3.65, now it is 7.41. Earlier FI was the 11.14. And when FI is selling, the promoter is buying. This is the concern. This is the sorry, this is the positive information. So it means that the promoter is having great belief on this company. Public is holding intact here is 37.46%. Okay, and now you can read more information from the website, from the company's portal. But I hope this video is something helpful for you. But I request to you, all of you, please check with our financial advisor before taking any further position in this company. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.